are you? I hope that you had a good week and you are ready for art class. So today we are making night sky bubble wrap prints, and they will look a little something like this. For this project, you will need black paper, bubble wrap, some tempera paint. I like to mix a little bit of white in my paint. It really makes it pop. And then yellow construction paper for stars and suns. You might have that in your art kit. So check your art kit, make sure you have what you need, and follow along. I'm walking the So that's it. If you followed step by step, yours should look a little something like this. Feel free to share anything you made. I would love to see it, and have a great week. See you next time.